Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about a COSRX products. I have given a couple of COSRX products review in the past. I will put the links down below. They are a Korean brand, what you call K-Beauty, and all the products are made in Korea. And with COSRX, they specialize in using Snail Mucin. And yes, I am in favor of using Snail Mucin. I have used Snail Mucin. I love using Snail Mucin. It is very calming. It doesn't cause any irritation or agitation to your skin. It's a wonderful hydrator and it's got a lot of healing properties. So yeah, Snail Mucin, I do believe in it and I do like using it. So this is another product from that Snail Mucin range from COSRX. And this is the all-in-one Snail 92 cream or moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, it just looks like transparent gel inside. So if you put your finger in, can you see? It's very gel-like texture. It is a beautiful, beautiful gel. I mean, they call it gel cream, really. Very stringy. It's because of the Snail Mucin. And you got to just massage it into your skin like this. It's very soothing. It's very hydrating. This is a beautiful product by COSRX. A lot of people don't like the idea of using Snail Mucin, and a lot of people are not comfortable, and that is understandable. But if you're comfortable using Snail Mucin, this is a beautiful product. Snail Mucin has a lot of benefits for the skin. I mean, Snail Mucin is very high in hyaluronic acid, so we all know that hyaluronic acid is an excellent hydrator. Snail Mucin has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. It also has wound healing properties. Snail Mucin is also high in glycoproteins and high in antioxidants. So the fact that it has got the 92 here, it means that 92% of this product is Snail Mucin. I find the best place to get K-beauty products or Korean beauty skincare products is just by visiting some Asian or Korean skincare stores locally, if you could find them, or if there's one available. I purchased this from a local Korean skincare store here in Auckland in New Zealand. And this is so much more affordable and so much more cheaper. So if you could do that and just hunt around for a local Korean or Asian skincare store, you get some of these K-beauty products a lot cheaper. So this product is $29 here in New Zealand for 100 gram. I have purchased this product from Adore Beauty and I pay around $40. So yeah, so buying them from your local Korean skincare store is a lot cheaper and it's so much more affordable. So yeah, this is a beautiful product by COSRX. I have done a review of the Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Essence. So I'll put a link down here and you can check that video out. It's a beautiful, hydrating gel-like. And this is just the cream. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.